Yase ewiasimu asemu mpeni pa nemom nipa e de pe ne ho asem. You have the right to talk, but all kasa no ahwe anu no kasa yi. With your mind be or making you turn all part chel or be kire mu se the course of Ghana hanum no or man ho for 4 years. Wa anane armed robber yes send din ababuzo kan ye no. Eja kakra ko gu ni chim oba media no so all part chel. Mema nchiri mu dia ba de kwa de see yent no. E ma no yes adwuma de we nyina no. Aha Penyah block media. Mesro say any day mu. Over like video no that my board subscribe button and be click notification icon for latest updates. Na be chere wa video dey ma me e wo comments. Expense oba so. Na share first any bia share. So ohwemu a NADMO has been carrying demolition exercise across the country. There's a baby a omo pese omo pave Ghana ya kwan omo pese omo ba mu ni ade ana baby omo believe say aha ade ya nipa we si ni hanom no na eni se wosi. Just say omo carry out demolition exercise. Emma on internet there are dozens of videos flying, especially from Accra. There are dozens of videos flying now. There's almost destroy properties, any other day, and sorry, even to the point of banks, you know, almost able to go.
The ground is soft too. But when to move, but not find some ground. Okay.
And they built all over.
All those places were water bodies. So they are filling from that side. They filled up to this. It was a long stretch. Yeah.
Yesterday we resumed the demolition exercise. As you said, we were on the bush road along the lagoon, the banks of the lagoon. That is one side of the lagoon. These are tributaries of the lagoon. So today we are here trying to clear this area too. That is the opposite side of where we worked yesterday, so that we can have clear boundaries for the water body, and then we can preserve it for generations to come.
Yesterday, our audience were saying that these demolitions have been happening over and over again, and the people return back to this place again. What are you going to do this time around so that they don't come back to the place that you mentioned?
Okay, so it's our own fault sometimes. We come to demolish, and after that, nothing happens. So the same people will get their way back to where you demolish and then put up new structures. This time, the plan is to fence most of the places that we are demolishing. Once we clear these debris, after demolition, you see a lot of the debris. So we clear them. After clearing the debris, then we'll fence up the place and then start the greening exercise, which we are envisaging or planning to undertake after the demolition exercise. It's the only way we can preserve the banks of our water bodies. You don't just demolish and leave it. You have to continue and engage the land that you have sacked the people from. Put it to use, that they themselves will see the benefits of the demolition exercise, not just demolition. Nobody's interested in destroying people's property. But we want to make the place beautiful. We want to make the community safer, so that the people who are crying today will be those who say, thank you for doing this for us.
So where are we moving from after this side?
We have a lot of work to do in this area, especially protecting the river here that joins the lagoon into the sea. So after this one, we started last year at Sakumono Ramsar site. I hear that people think that we have stopped, and so they are back to the place putting up structures. That's a lie. We only had challenges with machines, and that was why the exercise halted. We have fixed our machines. We'll go all out until we have preserved all our water bodies, and they are safe for the purpose for which nature allowed them to exist. So from here, Sakumono might be the next step. We clear that place and we take it up to Madina, Adenta, Abukubi, wherever we had serious flooding in 2025. We lost lives, property. We are not going to allow that to continue.
Finally, how long notice did you give the people here? Because I can see a woman crying and saying, we're all in Ghana. Why are you destroying their properties? They don't have places to live. What's the duration you give them to move out of this place?
It is something that is expected. For instance, this woman cannot tell you that I was told some weeks back and I refused to move. Can she say that to you? She can't say it. But enough time has been given to these people. Since last year, we were doing sensitization in areas that are affected, areas that demolition will take place. I wanted this exercise to start the beginning of January, in the second week. And then I was told that we told them. It is true that earlier they were informed, but let's still give them some time. Those who have some valuables to pick from their places will do that before we commence the exercise. What is today's date? So if in the first week of January people were informed, pack your things that are important to you and leave this location. And today we are here and they are asking us to give them minutes to pack out. Does it make sense?
Na enam so ema omu ebubu ya ko bubu man bi property e wa Accra. Omu bu ya in fact eye ne ya. Ema ode ya ebekasa na ya na ode kasa ni bira kwan so. E no kirem say adiwe no ma ye no o ma Ghana 4 years, acha 4 years or no. Say wanane Arméd Robber Ghana hanu a yense sanedi ni.
Isa papa ni no ye na ye bra. Me si be jai ejuma we ya. Arméd Robber, who papa ni me to board. Me Arméd Robber na me. I'm telling you. Me papa munja. Me mama who 4 years back. Ejuma we go me Arméd Robber. Who papa ni me to be aye. Kamu ba wo ye we so Ghana. Afa ti ye ba ku ya wo. Amu fu se go go di to be na.
Obishi kson aga.
Ade mo ba ye we na. Ya be announcement in penifo mo ba bua man mo bua ye. O man na mo ba bua ye mo bua ye. From abreso attitude is a papa bia ni Ghana ha. O man ye na ye o mo. Ni ye na ye ba hu de besi. Adan. O man ye tete en kom bua bia. O ye police national office po en kom bua. Adan. O man ye na ye nimi. O man ye na ye nimi. Adan.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. No, let me see it.
Emo kan no. Bebre na almost frustrated no. Almost share omu frustration, but omu no there or at least though I na ya but o man kan sin bia na eye wayward on.
Building. A building that nipa na si etinemu. Enye say on team or that wo ho. Se si anu Ono ni nema na ya parking no. Ta nema na egugu ho no. Obi ani baby aye ko. Ye ni baby aye ko. Dan na me dan na ye bu ya me kunu. Ye di 3 years. Yes, we kakon. E wo echi ho after the baby mechanic mechanic for no echi ho no. E ho na na odan ni see. E ho na esi. La see ye di 3 years na build 3 years. Still ye gusu because of there is no capital. Ye juma pa na ye di ni kakra kakra na ye tu susu na the top blocks. It's not easy. Now you see that we are now the 1 second. 1 second so yes say 1 hour or seconds now go at the end. I find a year. My sister there we crampon na ye mi yakese. Mama ni kunu yale, ni kunu wo stream sesia. Kakra na odi esi ni dan. Okay, nyame adom wo dan no 1 plot na auto half say wo the see one ne ma e betina. Sesi ama bebu ade ni na render ni homeless. The my sister say wo dey areho, me so me dey areho. I just say me wan nipa mienu a me so sesi am ni dey me dream po e na dey me campo because right now you need baby akọ. Say government, I have your government land there. Yeah, say your government land, you have procedure. Unim de obeye, unim boundary a obeye na nipa na hu. 2017 omo di kind be bubu ha ba man fa anya hwe na asase ni da ho na man for such chiefs wine landguard for no man ba I have feeling omo ye recently landguard for na be ye that's feeling landguard for na be feel ha no build omo build this say onu pe na ye new things omo ye wa ha but I have old land because nipa no water one be we are auto ye no ontimi vacate the place like that on to me vacate. I say on sambe building on name because our baby kwa and you have no baby betina. See you part of government, yeah citizens. And see your baby so your ba as you share. Your share though all fingers are not equal. Yeah, some man in pay. And to me compare your home to end. According to your means, no ye did na. But say and the my ye no say ankola no almost starting we are yes see better na my ye penimpa e wo aman no nti the my ye no dem aman ya de truly speaking it's not right and then baby ye beda ni de say ye beda ni kwan ma ha ye beda ni kwan mu de ye nim because ye ni obi a wo ha say ye kọ akoda ni nchen ti say stress on completed buildings for now ombe penese nya obi na penese beda me dan ti say say nam kra me suma me yonko for me de obi ama me baby a say me family ntu be me yonko for no me nua no me ayin na omo beda ayin fa na omo de omo ma no be ko me nua ni ne mai me suma omo ye ni den say say odwin de omo di say de omo she school fees o tua say say o san be dwin dan a omo be dem I found no say ahumeti pa heartbroken. Oni akoma kawa collapse. O wu say onkola ne be ye de. Nti say oma higher pa ya ka say oma higher the boa.
They spoke out of pain and bitterness, but yes said their mind with Ezekiel said and say when a man can you know. And obedience a jacket see a corner so he faced a huge sum of backlash on social media and on phone call from family members and friends. Crash now what about that one? Who you camera mu? Can't see me. Anything to go about you. Just say, heat, quarter so. They will not see the heat. AC bar. Oh, Ghana for Bessie Moda. Me na me kind of. Hey, pressure. Bessie Lamo. Move on, Jamie. I give it a Bessie Lamo. Move on, Jamie.
For where the Indra Mika Bibi say, Miss Mayor and Robano, and yeah, a bufuso, but a year Bibi Nessie, a bufu and a bamimu, and I'm the casa, where the Miss Regana for. Some from me born in Chemi, say Messi Mayor and Robano, Miss, but Mumbuami, na me baby, Miss Messabe Comano, was Mukutan Qualasso, to Miss Segana from Buami, na mumno, a year. Obi kan bibi na share me so ana me de ka de masem ti we de misre ba course so a e be ba wa bonten e ma me no misre en se me share na me ka se me ye an roba no misre pa mpanimfo bi frɛ me yes o me yɛ dɛ me mpakyɛw so ampa mesrɛ sɛ mombua me na me mpakyɛw we na ntu Ghanafoɔ nyinaa sɛ wo a wohia video no biara no mompa obiara nhyɛ na ɛnkɔ akyi na mesɛnka mapakyɛ ne anim kunimdie.
Esi anumai no. Abepa actually still as a Ghana police at the better no. I don't function that we are yet to hear from Ghana police. Asemo will be a nyabotre. Eh. I see a young clan name to ten clan. O the bem a boka kuti for. Adiba in Ghana for be soon, a humobakara. But and some of our kind to know. Who could I be ye? Over than the out of Ghana. Then I will to my can't say we. Asemo. To the wage mammy, comment section. How you pay your block video.